guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saishwi Thakkar and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about me planning my March bullet journal. So I'm very much excited about this bullet journal, which I will tell you in a second why. But before that, I'm wearing a hoodie because it is still cold out. And the reason why I'm most excited about this month's journal is because, well, give me a second and let me make you imagine a scenario. So it's अभी आप सोचो, आप वापस चले गए हो टाइम में 2012-13 में. आप जस्ट सुबह उठे हो और आप जल्दी से उठ गए हो, रात की एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से आप सो नहीं पाए, और आप जब सुबह उठते हो, इट्स धुलेटी गाइज, इट्स होली. एंड यस, होली कम्स इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च. सो इट्स होली, यू आर काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी, यू वांट टू गो आउटसाइड विद योर फ्रेंड्स, प्ले होली विद देम. आप पूरा दिन बाहर रहते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, होली खेल के फिर वापस आते हो. आपको अलग अलग जगह से कितना कुछ खाने को मिलता है, लाइक गुजिया ले लो या कुछ भी ले लो, और आप बस पूरे खेल के आते हो और फिर 2-3 बजे आके आप आराम से नहाते हो. एंड द काइंड ऑफ फ्रेशनेस यू फील देन एंड द सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ प्लेइंग होली, रिमेंबर ऑल दैट. So yeah, this month's journal of mine is going to be kind of on that theme, and it's going to be kind of nostalgic because of the same thing. So आपको अपनी पुरानी वाली होली की बिल्कुल याद आने वाली है इसमें, क्योंकि मेरा मंथ का थीम ही ये है. So चलिए देखते हैं how this journal turned. Because this month's theme is Holi and Dhuleti, like basically Dhuleti, so this journal is going to be a splash of different colors and combinations of them. So do enjoy it all, because I had so much fun while making this, and the last outcomes are the very best. So don't forget to watch the whole video. It's gonna be super awesome. As you guys know, I just like to begin my journal with a beautiful quote every month. So this month quote is "Let the colors get you," and I think it is the most appropriate one to, like, indicate just go with the flow and do whatever your heart desires. So this just felt so good, so I just made it. And also I made my usual theme of the balloons of different colors and the splash of colors, which turns out to be amazing. So I decided to do a bit different with this month's monthly. So I decided to make it in a horizontal form. So yeah, because I always do vertical, so I just wanted to try something else. So I did this in this manner, and let me tell you, it really looks good. So for the habit tracker of this month, I decided to write habit in the Pichkari kind of thing. Yeah, like what kind of it? The Pichkari. So it looks good and goes very well with my theme. Also, I decided to give every calendar a different splash of color of its own. So the end result looks so dope on it. I just loved this month's journal so much. Month's IF log is also in the form of Pichkari, and the hours I decided to write in balloons. So it goes completely with my theme and looks so amazing. This month's mood tracker is also in the form of balloons. So many balloons on this page, but yeah, it looks so amazing at the end of the day. So that's what matters, right? So this time I have decided to go for my YouTube videos and songs on the same page, as I don't use that very well and I can actually accommodate 2 things in one page, so why not? So the first monthly is very normal, but to add the splash of color on it, I have decided to do one of the 8 pages, like I divided 2 whole pages into 8 parts, and one of the 8 parts is going to be the normal splash of colors, which looks just so right for the whole theme, because that's what it indicates, the colors and soberness at the same time. So this is how the whole month of March looks like for me, like in the full splash of colors, which just looks so beautiful. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also suggest me some themes if you have any. I would more than happy to make videos on them. सो गाइस, कैसा लगा एक नॉस्टैल्जिक सफर अपनी मेमोरी लेन के थ्रू? डू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो कि आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो और मेरे ये मंथ का जो पूरा थीम था वो. आई होप आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आया है तो प्लीज लाइक माई वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल नोटिफिकेशन, ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो आए आपको नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल जाएगी और आप तुरंत ही देख सकते हैं. सो या वो कर दीजिए, और आप जल्दी से मेरे थोड़े बहुत सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ा दीजिए. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स प्लान्ड फॉर यू गाइज. बाय बाय, अंटिल वी नेक्स्ट टाइम. लव लव.